Hi y'all. Have you ever wanted an endless supply of the best clear ice? Then the NewAir Clear Ice machine is exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to unbox it, set it up, and make ice for the first time and every time after that. All right, so unboxing, I've already cut here. And basically, I'm just going to pull everything out. The easiest way I found always to pull it out is you would think I'd want to turn it upside down. But really, I don't want to because of the compressor. So I want to just basically lift it up. So I lifted it out of the box, and now I have all this stuff. I'm going to take all this paperwork off. I'm going to gently slide the styrofoam off of one end. All these black. Of course, they got enough tape on this for. And then I'm going to take it off of this end over here. The next thing I want to do is I want to take this plastic off. Again, I don't want to turn it upside down. The main reason, again, the compressor has oils in it, and if I turn it upside down, those oils will come out of the compressor, and if I turn it on right after that, it'll end up burning the compressor up. We don't want that. So I'm taking all the tape off on the sides here. It has protective film on it, same on the front. You can see right here. I am going to take all the protective film off. It'll take me a few minutes. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. If you're enjoying my video, please make sure you subscribe. Ring that bell. Don't forget, give me those big thumbs up. It really is appreciated. All right, so at this point in time, I've got everything unpacked. I've got all the film across it. This makes 40 pounds of ice in 24 hours. That doesn't mean it will store 40 pounds of ice. Typically 2.5, 3 pounds. So if you're wanting to save ice and build ice up, you're gonna have to take it out and bag it up. In this area here, you do not want to pour water. Right up here we have a water area, and that's where we're going to pour it. We have a 3-prong plug. We want to plug that in, and we want to plug it into again, a grounded plug, which would be 3 prongs. All right, so I have the machine over here where I'm going to permanently set it on top of my refrigerator. It comes with a little ice scoop. I'm going to take the cover off. I'm going to fill it with some water. And remember, the fill line is almost all the way to the top. And now I want to power it on. You notice that the power light is flashing. So when I push the power button, it powers on, the compressor starts, and it's going to start making ice. Now, it takes about 13 minutes to make a rack of ice. And once it gets full, the full ice light will come on and it will shut the unit down. In addition to that, if my water reservoir empties, it'll tell me to add water. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now opening it up, you see the water is flowing over. This is where it's going to make ice. It ends up making ice, and the ice comes out real clear. In a minute, I will compare this ice to several others and show you how some of these ices really look like. All right, so when we're looking at what kind of drink do we want to make, I've got 4 different types of ice. I got regular ice out of the ice maker in my refrigerator. I got some of what is called Sonic ice, the real fine ice from the NewAir Sonic ice maker. I've got an ice ball, and then I've got the clear ice by the NewAir Clear Ice maker that we're talking about. So let's look at them. my ice from the ice maker. I can still see the ice cubes in there. And that's because of the impurities as well as the air that's built up in there. The Sonic ice, I can still see all the ice inside there. My ice ball, which is great for mixed drinks and everything. It melts a lot slower, but I can still see it. It has those impurities and has that air in there. And my clear ice. As you can see, it's barely visible. Other than an ice cube on top, you really can't tell there's ice in here. And yet there is. This is the big difference in all of these, is that the clear ice, the way it makes the ice with it flowing over, it doesn't get the air in there. It's filtered, so it's going to have the impurities are not going to get into the ice because it's basically flowing over the freezer area, and all the impurities just keep on going. That's one of the reasons we want to do some maintenance. So maintenance for our NewAir clear ice make, we want to dump the extra water and drain all the water out at least once a week. By doing this, it allows us to have that clear, pure water that's in there and makes perfect ice. All right, so the best bet I can give you, go and watch my go-to bourbons. That film, along with great ice, will really make a difference in how you drink your bourbon, whether it's just on the rocks or whether I am drinking it with Coke or Sprite or something else. Clear ice does the trick.